Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you to one of the most breathtaking destinations in all of Europe, the Swiss Riviera. And trust me, this isn't just any home tour. This is something special. Perched high above the shimmering waters of Lake Geneva in the heart of the UNESCO-listed Lakeview vineyards sits an extraordinary modern masterpiece, Villa Grandvaux. Located in the charming village of Grandvaux, this property combines cutting-edge luxury with one of the most iconic landscapes in the world. And today, we're going inside. As you arrive, the first thing that hits you is the setting. The villa is elevated above the vineyards, offering a jaw-dropping 240-degree panoramic view of the lake and the Alps. This isn't just a house, it's a front-row seat to nature. The architecture is sleek and contemporary, with clean lines and expansive glass walls designed to pull the outdoors in. Built in 2010 and recently expanded, the property sits on over 1,200 square meters of land, giving it both privacy and presence. And then you see it, an infinity pool that visually melts into the lake below. It's one of those surreal moments where you can't tell where architecture ends and nature begins. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a grand reception space flooded with natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the landscape like living artwork, while the interior design leans into understated luxury, neutral tones, premium materials, and a sense of calm sophistication. There's a beautiful fireplace anchoring the living room, alongside a private library perfect for quiet evenings or entertaining guests in style. Every inch of this space is designed to maximize both comfort and that incredible view. Moving into the kitchen, we find a fully open-plan layout fitted with high-end appliances and sleek cabinetry. It flows seamlessly into the dining area, which is positioned to capture sunset views over the lake. Imagine hosting dinners here. The golden light reflecting off Lake Geneva, the Alps in the distance. It's unreal. And just beyond that, sliding doors lead directly onto the terrace, creating a perfect indoor-outdoor living experience. This villa features 6 bedrooms, and 4 of them are en suite. Each one is designed with privacy and comfort in mind, many offering direct access to the outdoor areas and pool. But the real highlight is the master suite. It's more like a private retreat, with a spacious walk-in closet, a luxurious bathroom, and uninterrupted views of the lake that you'll wake up to every morning. It's the kind of space that makes you forget the rest of the world exists. Now, this is where things go to another level. The villa includes a fully equipped fitness area, a private hammam for spa-like relaxation, and even a dedicated office and conference room, perfect for those who want to blend business with lifestyle. There's also a wine cellar, fitting considering you're surrounded by some of Switzerland's most famous vineyards. And thanks to advanced home automation, everything from lighting to climate can be controlled effortlessly. Back outside, the property continues to impress. An expansive terrace stretches across the villa, complete with lounge areas and a barbecue setup for entertaining. Whether it's hosting friends or simply enjoying a quiet evening, this outdoor setup takes full advantage of the scenery. And let's be honest, the combination of vineyard terraces, alpine peaks, and the lake below is something you just don't get anywhere else. One of the newest additions to the villa is a fully independent apartment. It's perfect for guests, extended family, or even as a private workspace. And the best part? It has its own entrance while still being connected to the main home. That level of flexibility is rare, even in luxury real estate. What makes Villa Grandvaux truly special isn't just its design or amenities, it's the experience. You're living in one of the most picturesque regions in the world, surrounded by history, nature, and timeless beauty. A peaceful escape just minutes away from cities like Lausanne, yet feeling worlds apart. If this is what luxury living looks like, then this might just be the dream. Let me know what you think of this villa in the comments, and if you'd live here. And as always, I'll see you in the next tour.